Solve for x, leave your answer in simplified radical form if necessary. X is the length of a leg, and 2 is the length of a leg. 2 square root of 3 is the length of the hypotenuse. The Pythagorean theorem tells us that leg squared plus leg squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared. So we will do x squared plus 2 squared is equal to 2 square root of 3 squared. This simplifies to x squared plus 4. Now we need to simplify 2 square root of 3 squared. This represents 2 square root of 3 times 2 square root of 3. Multiply the values on the outside of the radical. So that is 4. Now multiply the values underneath the radical or in the radicand, and that leaves you with the square root of 9. The square root of 9 is a perfect square, and that simplifies to 3. So this becomes 4 times 3, which is equal to 12. So now we have x squared plus 4 is equal to 12. Now we'll subtract the 4 and get x squared is equal to 8. We need to take the square root of both sides, so we'll get x is equal to the square root of 8. We were told to leave the answer in simplified radical form, so we need to do a factor tree for 8, which would be 2 and 4, 2 and 2. So the square root of 8 is really the square root of 2 times 2 times 2. We have one pair of 2's that will exit, because that's 2 times 2 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. So that's 2 square root of 2. So our final answer is x is equal to 2 square root of 2.